Most humble Bollywood stars. Alia Bhatt. Alia has the guts to accept her mistakes if any. She is always well-mannered with everyone. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar always works on film sets without ever losing his cool. Behaving in humble way is his identity. Malaika Arora. Her smile is a dazzler, and so is her shy, self-effacing personality. She remains down to earth and always admits everything frankly. Siddharth Malhotra. This boy next door hasn't been affected by the Bollywood glamour. He has been making steady progress with his down-to-earth nature. Ranbir Kapoor. He has all the reasons to be arrogant, but he is too humble by nature. Ranbir respects everyone on the film sets and he is not short-tempered like his father. Aamir Khan. No one has seen him to behave arrogantly unlike other Khans. Aamir behaved beautifully on the film sets and with media people. Sonam Kapoor. She speaks her mind and hypocrisy is in her scene. Humbleness and gratitude is her calling card. Tiger Shroff. He doesn't speak brashly and is a favorite with the studio spot boys. Bollywood describes Shroff as a quiet, humble and polite kid. John Abraham. John's humble roots are public knowledge by now. He never throws tantrums and shows his humble attitude. Sushmita Sen. Tantrum and arrogance are not the words in her dictionary. Sushmita always behaves well with everyone around her. Vidya Balan. Endowed with sense of humor, she has the ability to laugh at herself. She behaves generously with all the people in the film set. Tabu. She has never blown her own trumpet. Bollywood industry always respect Tabu for her down-to-earth nature. Rajinikanth. This superstar has been a man of the masses for decades now. He's one of the best behaved stars we have ever seen. Nana Patekar. Bollywood glamour cannot make this actor arrogant and plastic. Patekar is favorite to us not only for his superb acting skills but for his humbleness as well. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He faced the verbal attack of many arrogant actors like Rishi Kapoor. He always makes himself cool and behaves like a man. Nandita Das. She has tremendous admiration as a social activist. Nandita always presents herself in humble and generous way.